All right, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 9. All right, so we have a function r of x is a composition of three functions. So when you take the derivative, we're going to have to use the chain rule. So let's do that. So I'm going to just go ahead and take the derivative first. So you take the derivative of the outer function. So you have here f prime of x, but the inside you have a g of h of x doesn't change, right? And then you have to multiply by derivative inside, which is g of h of x. So we can take the derivative of g first and keep the inside function as it is. And then another chain rule, multiply by the derivative inside, which is h. So it's going to be h prime of x. So since we're looking at the r prime of 1, so every time you see x, we plug in 1. So I'm going to have to put 1 here, right? And the 1 here, I know that it's a little bit of yucky, it looks yucky here, but here we have that, right? Then we just have to put what we know about these values, all right? So here, let's go backward. H prime of 1 is 3. So I can replace that by multiply by 3. Right? Put that in there. All right, here is h of 1 is 3 too. So h of 1, I'm going to replace this h of 1 by 3. All right. Then g prime of 3 is 3. So g prime of 3 is just 3. So I can just do that, right? And then here, h of 1 is 3. So I'm going to h of 1 replaced by 3. But what's g of 3? G of 3 is 6. So I'm going to replace that g of 3 by 6. But what's f prime of 6? F prime of 6 is 7. So we have 7 here. Right? Then we have 7 times 3 times 3. All right, so it's what, 7 times 9? 63, all right? So answer is 63. Hopefully I did the mental computation correctly. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. So all you have to do is use the chain rule to take the derivative and then plug in x equals 1, and they'll provide you with everything we need to know to figure out the r prime of 1. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.